Time for the KSL In-Depth. They came in wheelchairs, packing a committee room in Washington as senators started talking about the latest Obamacare repeal and replace bill today. They raised their voices. Utah Senator Orrin Hatch, chairman of the Finance Committee, wasn't having any of it. He put the meeting on hold while Capitol Hill police moved in to arrest the protesters. After they were out in the hall, Hatch banged the gavel and tackled the topic of civility in the health care debate.
I've been in the Senate for 4 decades now, and in that time I've been a part of some very difficult and contentious debates. Early on, I was part of a fierce debate over labor law reform. Over the years, I've participated in some of the most heated Supreme Court hearings in our nation's history. I was here to take part in drafting, debating, and passing the Americans with Disabilities Act, one of my proudest accomplishments. I was around when the debate over the war in Iraq became extremely combative. And of course, I was here when we debated Obamacare before it passed. And I've been here for every debate we've had about it since that time. So I've been through an awful lot of this, and it's nothing new to me. So I understand that there are some strong opinions about this issue. And more importantly, I understand why opinions are so strong. When we talk about health care policy, we're not just talking about a theoretical concept or legislation that impacts a single isolated industry. This topic has a significant impact on the lives of every person in this country in ways that can make or break both their health and their livelihoods. Frankly, because this issue is so personal, everyone has strong feelings on all sides of these issues. If we could shut that door and keep it shut, I'd appreciate it. To members of the committee, to those in the audience today, and to any person who may watch or read about today's hearing at some point in the future, let me say this. I respect your opinions on these issues. But while I wish that expressions of goodwill could on their own fix our nation's problems, that is just not the case. We have to do the work. And on these issues, the work is particularly hard.
Well, as you just heard from ABC News, it's a moot point now, as it appears the health care bill will not have enough Republican support to clear the Senate.